What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today I am going to be breaking down the trade that I took on Tuesday of this week, which was a Nasdaq supply, and we ended up making money with this trade. We lost on Monday. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, please go and check it out so you can see the breakdown of that trade. And then this trade made that money that we lost back, plus it gave us a little bit more on profits. All right, so with that being said, as always, if you want to take these trades with me, make sure to join the Discord. The link will be in the description for the Signals group. And also don't forget that if you want to learn trading, we have a 5-day bootcamp going on right now. So with that being said, let's get started with the video. First of all, let me show you the screenshot of the Signals group that I did call this trade on November 4th at 8:34 a.m. That's 1 minute supply. It was a 1 minute setup right there. The nice rejection. I'm in NAS sales, and then the let's go everyone once the TP was hit. All right. So as you guys can see, this candle right here was at 8:33. So it was the 8:34 that I sent it. Once this candle closed. And he had a nice rejection, and then the entry was on this candle at 8:36. Okay, so we entered right there. It's just a simple setup. NAS overall was bearish. As you guys can see, we're coming on a downtrend on the 5-minute and 15-minute. This is the 1 minute short, but it will be the same thing on the 5-minute. You can basically see the downtrend overall, and then on the 1 minute we was just trending to the downside. We was respecting the 13 EMA all the way through, and then it literally came over here close to the 13 EMA to like kind of respect it. Didn't close any candles inside. It was a 1 minute setup. The 200 EMA is aiming to the downside and all the way at the top. 50 is at the middle. 13, as I said, is at the bottom and being respected. We had that supply right here with a gap attached right there. It came right here, didn't close any candles inside, which we love to see that. And then this candle gave the break of the candle right here, and then the rest was history. It was literally a 1-2. I didn't close all the way down here, but I ended up closing at a little bit more than a 1-to-1, around like a 1.120. So I covered the loss from Monday and then made a little bit of profits on the remaining. Okay, so it was a nice trade overall. We caught the ending of the of this move to the downside, and pay really attention over here to this thing, because NAS actually created another supply after that, which if we would have called that, which again, when I take a trade and I win, I'm done for the day. I'm not looking for any other trade. But if we caught on the perfect time in this one, because the next one we would have literally gotten faked out. And look at the difference between these candles. This one went all the way down here, gave the break of the candle right there, and then immediately rejected and hit the stop loss on the same candle, literally on the 1 minute candle. Same candle hit the entry and the stop loss. Okay, but look at the difference. We came all the way over here, we closed a candle inside, we closed another candle inside, and then the third one is the one that wants to give the break of the candle after closing 2 consecutive candles inside the supply. Does it mean that you cannot take the trade? No, I still take trades when they close inside. All right, but look at the thing right here, so you can start seeing that when you have candles not closing inside the zone, that is really a good sign, and that's giving you a little bit more chance of your trade hitting once you get, of course, that break of the candle and your entry. So really pay attention to everything that I say on the breakdowns, because that's what's going to help you determine which trades to take, which trades to pass on. Maybe you don't like to take trades that close inside the zone. That's all up to you. I still take trades that close inside the zone. It's just depending on the overall volume. How fast did we push down after closing these candles? How fast did we push down to give that break of the candle and stuff like that? I look at all that. But in general, you can see that candles closing inside is not really a good chance, and trades actually have a little bit more chance of losing once you get those candles closing inside before the break of the candle. So yeah, really pay attention at that. Back test it however you want to do it, but that's something for you guys to keep in mind as well. So with that being said, as always, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you liked the video and it was helpful and you learned something new. And as always, don't forget to join the Discord. Link will be in the description if you want to take this race with me. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.